Friends, when we talk about the attitude of people, one of my favorite frameworks to understand how people think, feel, and behave is the PAC model of transactional analysis given by a Canadian psychiatrist, Dr. Eric Berne. He says that our mind is like an almirah, which has got 3 shelves. In the upper shelf, there are thoughts, feelings, and behaviors which we have directly copied from our own parents, grandparents, and people in authority. In the middle shelf, the thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are those which we have deliberated upon, which we have thought or come to a conclusion about. And in the third shelf, there are thoughts, feelings, and behaviors which are archival in nature, which we store up from our own childhood. The problem with old age is that we do not want to give up what we have learned and we come in the preaching mode. Sometimes that becomes a difficult and dysfunctional attitude because now you think that I am old enough and just because of my age, you should respect me. And if you don't, then you don't have a character, then you don't have manners, you don't have courtesy, you have not learned anything. This kind of mental attitude generates loneliness and bitterness in old people. Whereas if the second shelf is maintained, if it is operated from, if it is used more, even in old age, if we are able to be curious to learn, if we are able to look at things from an attitude that a child has towards life, if we are open to logical and rational thinking, then maybe this would be a more winning attitude. Also, the attitude of a child, that is the third shelf. Why don't we start enjoying life, taking pleasures, savoring the day? This will maintain the creativity, the spontaneity that we have had as a child, as a young person. And if that can be maintained, then old age blues or depression are not going to affect you. Many research studies are being conducted on how to deal with depression in old age. One of the evidence-based therapies that has emerged is problem-solving therapy. Another is cognitive behavior therapy. I would like to talk to you all in detail about it someday. But today, I want to focus on the things that we can do before this depression, bitterness, loneliness, discord with the family members, conflicts, this start emerging.